Hi, and welcome to my DIY Rhythmic Ribbons by Sarah Garcia. So for this video, where are we going to start? First, we're going to talk about the equipment and the materials you will need for these rhythmic ribbons. Then I'll show you how to make it, and then we're going to use them in a dance. So first, the equipment and materials. What do we need? Oh, but first we're going to do equipment safety. So when making the equipment, make sure to have a clear, flat surface, and there will be tying and cutting, so some of you may need some adult supervision and help. Make sure while using the equipment that you have a safe environment to move around and also be mindful of others. So which one are you going to make? There's two options. You can make a ribbon wand, which is with a glow stick, or a ribbon bracelet that goes around your wrist. First, so the things you will need for this, you need ribbons. It can be any type, color. I used curling ribbon and gross grain ribbon, but any ribbon will do. You can either, again, use a glow stick or a scrunchie, or anything, any type of hair tie works for the scrunchies, or any type of long stick like will work for the glow stick. It doesn't have to be these, but this is what I used. And of course, scissors. I recommend having the kid-friendly scissors as well as adult scissors. For optional, you may want to consider having a ruler and some clear nail polish, but the clear nail polish is used for the ends of the ribbon so it doesn't fray. So how much does it cost? For the ribbon, I got mine for $1 at Dollar Tree. And then there's other options for the scrunchies. You can also get those at Dollar Tree, and the glow sticks and the scissors and the nail polish. Pretty much I spent around $5 or $6, but there's also other options. You can get the scrunchies at Target, and those go for $2.99 in a 3-pack, as well as the glow sticks are $1 at Target. And the scissors are $2.29, and the clear nail polish would be $1.89, and the ruler $1.99. So around, you're looking at $5 or $6, but a lot of these items are items that you could probably find in your house, especially the hair ties. So how are we going to make it? So here are the steps. The first step is you're going to cut the ribbon, and then this features the optional step of putting nail polish on the end of the ribbon, which will be showed in the video. And then the next step, if you're doing glow sticks, is you're going to assemble the glow stick. And then the third step will be tying the ribbon around the scrunchies of the top of the glow stick. And then the fourth dance is just dancing. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our ribbon. And you can either measure it using a ruler, or I just like to, you want it pretty long. And you're going to cut, you can choose whatever color. I'm using this sparkly ribbon. If it's starting to fray, you can use a little bit or so that it doesn't fray. Repeat this. You can do as many ribbons as you want. I did 2. I did blue with this one. Cut it. Put a little more. This one. Blue. Just cut this one. You want it long so that when you twirl it, so then I'm going to use So the next step will be, if you're doing your glow stick, you're going to get your glow stick out. Glow sticks come with like a little top or something like that. You put the top on, and then you take your ribbon. I'm going to start with the first one I did. I'm going to thread it through and just tie it at the top. First one, the next blue, and tie the second one. Just a knot is fine. Up at the top, and then I'll put this one on. It's okay if it sticks out like that. Top, just another knot. And then last one. Again, just tying it at the top of your glow stick. Make sure they're tight. Keep that on. You can glue this down, but it's usually fine. And then that's your one. The next one. The next will be the scrunchie, and this is the scrunchie video. A glow stick, you're going to use a scrunchie. So for the glow stick, you would have it in your hand. The scrunchie, you're going to put around your wrist. You're just going to, again, cut the ribbon whatever length you'd like. For the scrunchies, I do them a little bit shorter. Do some gold. And you can choose whatever color you want, and some red. And on both ends, put a little bit clear nail polish. Really dry. And then for this one, I'm going to as many as you'd like. Scrunchie, let these pretty much dry. Tie it around again. Tie it around the scrunchie. And that's it. You have your ribbon. Nice. So now we're going to learn a few dance steps to use with our ribbons. So the following can be performed sitting down or standing with either your glow stick or your scrunchie. So the first one is dance circles, swirls. As you see in both videos, I'll play them again. So you're just gonna make circles with your ribbon. You can choose either one. The next one is up curls. So you're gonna start from the bottom up, from the bottom up. And the next step is down curls. So you're gonna start from the top and go down. You can do this again, sitting or standing with either one. And the last one is rainbow slashes. So you're gonna go up and down and create a rainbow. Cool. So let's go ahead after we've made our things. Let's go ahead and see what it's like. Let's dance.
Rainbow ribbon dance. Where are those little movers? They're always late. Oh, there they are. I was hoping we could all do a rainbow ribbon dance together. Do you have your rainbow ribbons with you? Or something that you can use to swirl around the air? It's really easy and lots of fun. Just follow Josh, Declan and Victoria, and we can all dance together. And I'll call out the moves. Okay? Circle swirls over here. And circle swirls over there. Circle swirls over here. Swirling magic in the air. Curls and down curls. Scribbling in space. Can you see what I see? I think it looks like the number 8. Rainbow slashes up and down, then whirling and twirling up and around. Rainbow slashes up and down, then whirling and twirling up and around. Rainbow jumping party, everybody jumping. Let's all make different shapes in the air with our ribbons. What shapes and swirls and twirls can you make?
Thank you so much for watching my DIY video. The following resources I got for this presentation, the credit for the template is created by Slides Go. The icons are by Flat Icon, and the infographics and images are by FreePic, as well as there's Google Images for the rainbows, and my niece Emma was my helper in the videos. And the link to the entire dance video is the following. I hope you really like your DIY ribbons, rhythmic ribbons, and I hope you had fun. Thank you.